Morning crew, what it do? It's your girl A-True, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel. So happy Saturday. Actually, when you guys watch this, it'll be Sunday. But I just woke up and I brushed my teeth, did my face. Now I'm gonna make some breakfast and go edit yesterday's vlog, which I know is gonna take me so long because there's a lot of content to go through. And then on today's agenda, gonna shower at some point, gonna finish spring cleaning my closet and my bathroom. And I don't know if I want to shower before or after that because I could potentially get all sweaty. But I usually like to take a shower while the video is trying to upload because it takes forever. So it just gives me something to do. But right now, breakfast time. I'm currently still sitting at the computer. I don't remember if I showed it, but I had like an hour and a half of footage to get through. And I beastly got it down to like 11 minutes. That's about how long the video is. And I'm super proud of this one. Like, I added sound effects and I added time lapses, and it's a good video. I really like it. Problem is that the Wi-Fi is just like not working. So I was able to save the video as a file, but if the internet isn't working, then I can't upload it to YouTube. So I tried like restarting the router and now I'm just waiting, but it's really like holding back my day because I want to go shower, but I don't want to shower until I'm uploading to YouTube because that just takes forever. That I'd rather shower while that's working on that. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Guys, look, we're doing it.
Sorry, you don't agree that I'm hot.
Yeah. Hi. So as you can see, I took a shower. Finally, I decided to do it before I cleaned today just because I really felt like I needed a shower and because I'm about to show you why I don't know why it takes so long, but I took a whole shower, you guys. Changed my clothes, brushed my hair, and it's still not done. If you guys follow me on Snapchat or just know anything about my cat, you know that he's afraid of anything that moves or makes noise, and so he never goes outside. I'm like, I don't know if you can see, but like that's the closest he will ever get to going outside. I wanted to show you guys what I'm having for lunch. It's just a big salad with like fake chicken and avocado in it with Italian dressing. Haven't really done, that's gross. Haven't really done anything. I came in my room after I uploaded yesterday's vlog and I've just been watching Full House, and then I was like, wow, I'm hungry, so I decided to eat. And then I think I'm gonna tackle the closet and the bathroom. Well, I lied, I'm actually gonna do a quick yoga class with my friend Lisa. She's doing it live on her Instagram. So I'm gonna do that. incredible. I hope she does it again tomorrow. I'm totally gonna text her. But yeah, it was so amazing. So I'm really sad that I didn't vlog this earlier. It's just that it was not a part of the plan. I was cleaning the bathroom, so fixing the shower was not a part of the plan. But basically, oh, let me show you. It used to have this hose. Can you see it? This hose, I don't want to take it out again, attached to it. But at the end of it was no shower head. So I ordered a shower head online that I wanted. And there's this plastic thing on it, and if anyone out there like knows how to get it off, that'd be great. I don't even know if it's supposed to come off, but I think it is. But I don't know. Who am I talking to? There's this plastic thing on it, and I don't know how to get it off. So I wasn't able to make it fit. And then, just as I was cleaning, I was putting like something away in here, and I saw this shower head sitting there. And I was like, oh, maybe this one will fit. So I tried it on the hose, no go. Then I found that shower head, literally just the head. So this part was still attached to the shower. This part was sitting in there. So I was like, maybe that'll fit on the hose. Still nothing. So then I decided to YouTube it. And he was like, oh, if you just like take the shower head off, you should be able to put another one back on. And I was like, oh, maybe that's my problem. Maybe I need to take the hose off. So I unscrewed the hose, which was this part and this part. And then I unscrewed the hose from here, and this was the only shower head that fit. But basically, like, I fixed the shower and put it back together. So if you need a plumber, like, hit your girl up. I'm a boss, strong, independent woman who don't need no man. Hi crew! So just wanted to show you tonight's dinner. Got some garlic bread. I know there's a lot. My mom says she's gonna have some. I don't know. And SpaghettiOs. Officially on season 3 of Full House. It's a good night. Alright guys. This is the last part of the cleaning process. Save the worst for last. It is currently...
Hey, it's time to stop acting like a little kid who's trying to make his mommy happy.
5 minutes to 11 p.m. And I'm going to attempt it. Cleared up the floor. I think for this one, now that it's like organized, I just kind of got to go through and decide what I want to keep, which we will save for another day. This box is trash. Those are reusable bags that need to go in my car, and that's a load of laundry with 2 poster boards. So